The feminization of poverty, why women are disproportionately affected. Did you know that globally, women are more likely to live in poverty than men? This isn't just a coincidence, it's a complex issue rooted in systemic inequalities. Let's explore the reasons behind this phenomenon, often referred to as the feminization of poverty. One of the primary drivers is the disparity in access to education and employment opportunities. In many parts of the world, girls are less likely to attend school than boys, limiting their future prospects. This lack of education translates into fewer job opportunities and lower wages for women. They are often relegated to informal sectors with little job security or social protection. Women disproportionately shoulder the burden of unpaid care work, such as childcare and elder care. This unpaid labor is essential for society, but often goes unrecognized and uncompensated. This responsibility limits women's ability to participate in the formal workforce. It also reduces their earning potential and economic independence. Gender-based violence and discrimination further exacerbate women's vulnerability to poverty. These issues can prevent women from accessing resources, education, and employment. Discriminatory laws and social norms can also limit women's property rights and access to credit. This makes it harder for them to build assets and escape poverty. The underrepresentation of women in political decision-making processes also contributes to the problem. When women's voices are not heard, their needs are often overlooked in policy development. This can lead to policies that perpetuate gender inequality and fail to address the specific challenges faced by women in poverty. Combating the feminization of poverty requires a multifaceted approach. This includes investing in girls' education, promoting equal employment opportunities, and addressing gender-based violence. We also need to recognize and value unpaid care work and ensure women have equal access to resources and political representation. Understanding the root causes of the feminization of poverty is the first step towards creating a more equitable world. Learn more about organizations working to empower women and girls globally, and consider donating or volunteering your time. Together, we can help break the cycle of poverty and create a brighter future for all.